G'day and thanks for checking out our Kia Sorento Sli V6 petrol. This one here is finished in the white, does have the front sensors, projector headlights and that stunning kidney grille which is signature to Kia. You get on the SLI, the alloy wheels, plenty of tread on those tyres. This has got keyless entry, push button start and full leather trim as you can see. It is ventilated as well. Tinted windows are fitted onto this vehicle as well. Coming through in the back, plenty of room, USB plugs, aircon vent through the back, and you do get your third row seating as well. Harden Calm and sound system, and coming around into the back, you do get the electric tailgate. LED tail lights, and one of the best things about the V6 is just the power these things deliver. Absolutely amazing. Split fold rear seats. Coming down through the side, it's in great condition. We look forward to speaking to you soon. In regards to this vehicle, it does have balance of new car warranty as well. So we look forward to speaking to you soon.